Another interesting statement coming from EMK party concerning the inauguration of President Ramaphosa. Right. Also MK party, but MK party we don't give a damn, not even a swimming pool about Ramaphosa's inauguration. I know you guys will say, I whenever want to manje. You know what I'm saying? I know you say, bongan. Okay, let me take you through. Media statement dated 18 June 2024, obviously by MK party. I took this statement from a Twitter handle Duduzile Zuma Sambundla, which is the daughter of the former president Mr. Jacob Zuma. It says Umkhonto wesizwe, the official opposition of South Africa will not participate in the factual inauguration of Ramaphosa as the puppet of DA sponsored president tomorrow. We refuse to join in the spirit of grave of those who died for this freedom by attending a symbolic wedding ceremony of a house of Negro called Ramaphosa with slave master Helen Zille. I already MK party my fate. Guys, I enjoy reading. I enjoy reading letters written by MK Pat. Like, honestly speaking, they are writing. Listen to this one. Listen to this one. Umkhonto wesizwe party, the official opposition of South Africa, will not participate in it's a vertical inauguration of Cyril Ramaphosa as the puppet of DA sponsored president tomorrow. Listen. We refuse to join in the spitting of the graves of those who died for this freedom by attending the symbolic wedding ceremony of a house Negro called Ramaphosa with the slave master Helen Zille. Listen to this one. Of a house Negro. Do you know the Negro? You don't get it. You don't get it, do you? Ramaphosa is you see those black guys at work who, whatever you do, they will tell this white person, you cannot do anything. Like, they are very faithful. You know what I'm saying? And what these people do, they pay them, they're supposed to give them, they're supposed to pay everybody 50 Rand per hour, make an example. But now they are robbing all of you and they are paying you 10 Rand. What they will do, they will just pay that one 12 Rand. This one will think I'm better than these ones and will be more faithful. That is the modern slave that we do see these days. That is how, if you're looking at the terminology Negro, you could liken him, look at that terminology to that. So they are saying Ramaphosa is that guy who's faithful. He's going to he can betray everybody else so that he can be faithful to the slave master being Helen Zille. Yeah, guys, what are the way MK writes? Hey, Ngati, guys, please, if you know anyone of MK, I need their contact details. Like, I'm serious on this one. I need to get a direct communication from MK Pat, by the way. But yeah, I also need a direct communication from you guys, and this is what I want. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel. And you know what I'm saying? we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, let's proceed. It says, previously, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party deliberately boycotted the first sitting of the National Assembly, where members of the unholy There's another one. All right, guys. Members of the unholy racist DA and NC coalition voted for each other, betraying our struggle for total freedom and land reposition. You don't get this one. The way these people write. I know. Listen. Previously, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party deliberately boycotted the first sitting of the National Assembly, where where members of the unholy, racist DA and ANC coalition voted for each other, betraying the struggle of our total freedom and land reposition. Just the second paragraph. MK part. This is what they've done to ANC and DA. The way they speak about it, DA, I'm sure DA, yeah, should I want the 5 years open. Ramaphosa's presidency with inverted commas. Right there's a problem when they say this bongan with inverted commas like you are not existing. Right. Ramaphosa's presidency is the result of a sellout deal signed by Fikile Mbalula and Helen Zille last week, as well as rigged illegal elections marked by massive vote rigging and other manipulation by the IEC through Janet Love and other state institutions. We call on all those who cherish the true freedom, real democracy, and our current constitution to distance themselves from physically or emotionally from being forced to celebrate their continued oppression under the guise of DA and ANC coalition. Amandla, aluta, continue. Guys got a name. I don't believe on that coalition, Jay. People like, what are you saying? Yeah, like honestly, Mr. President, I honestly don't believe in that thing that you are doing there. Like honestly speaking, but because we are not there. They say, how can we celebrate when the ANC has signed another deal with the Freedom Front Plus to recognize and protect the racist enslaved called Orania? By doing so, the ANC surrendered a part of our country and continent to unrepented racists to secure position of premier for Zaman Soul. Similar, the ANC has sold its soul to the DA to secure a position of president for Ramaphosa. Clearly, the position matters more to the ANC than the well-being of the people. MK. That is MK for you. Mina guys ngibakhuzile ngathi hey ningamshayi kakhulu bathi hayi mlethe labo ngani. Yeah. Ngabayekela ke mina bamngena uRamaphosa ne-DA. Awulethe le DA labo ngani. Baqhubeka bathi ke hey bengibastophile mina guys MK bangangilalesha. Baqhubekile bathi Umkhonto weSizwe Party vows to use all legal means at our disposal to expose, fight, and destroy the incoming illegitimate regime of Ramaphosa, Steenhuisen, and Grunwald. The time is now for all progressive forces to unite against the reintroduction of apartheid and colonialization. MK Party name, I agree with you there. Ramaphosa. That guy is the most selfish president we have ever had. The most selfish president you have ever had. He sold everybody else just for him to secure a position. But we were told Zuma is the one that does that. Today, he has proven, sold everything just for his protection. Sold everybody else just for him to get protected.